I have nothing today. Well, I'm talking about the Nothing Ear One earbuds, which have recently been launched, and in India, they've been priced quite aggressively at rupees 6,000. And there's been a lot of hype and excitement around this product, largely because after a long time, someone has decided to experiment with the design of earbuds, and you get a unique and a very transparent sort of design on these earbuds, and I'm quite excited to check them out. So let's not delay any further and unbox Nothing Ear One. You're watching India Today Tech. I am Manas Tiwari. So the box of Nothing Ear One itself is quite different to the usual retail packaging that we get with most earbuds in the Indian market especially, and that itself gives you an idea that the earbuds are going to be different as well. It's the usual black box with an image of the earbuds on either side and a lot of branding and specifications mentioned all around it. What we're gonna do is we're gonna skip it and just head to the main product itself. And at this point, let me also remind you that the Nothing Ear One is priced at rupees 5,999 in India, which is very aggressive given its specifications and what we're getting here with the product. So now when you unbox the product, the first thing that you're gonna see is the charging case, which is a transparent charging case, and inside it you can see the white color earbuds Nothing Ear One positioned inside, and it's very unique and different and quite exciting to see as well, because lately what we have seen is that most earbuds have been copying from each other, and we have a lot of earbuds with a similar design language selling in the Indian market, but this one clearly is quite different. From the outside itself you can see the complete design of the earbuds, and I like the fact that Nothing has gone with an in-ear design with its first pair of earbuds, because I think that always gives you a more secure fit than the other designs that we have. Apart from the earbuds, you also get some paperwork inside. This includes a very nicely done user manual where you can see on the first page itself you get all the controls that are there. There's also a QR code to scan and connect with the app, and at the back side you have different information about the product. Also you get a USB to Type-C charging cable within the box, so you will have to connect it using an adapter which you may already own or have with your smartphone. There are also two pairs of earplugs inside the box. One is a small one and the other one is a large one, and it's good to see that Nothing is giving you options to change the earplugs as well. Now let's open the box and open the charging case and take out the earbud. So it's only one color variant that has been launched here, which is white, but as you can see the stem of the earbud, you can clearly see all the engineering that has been done inside. You can see the microphones, the magnets, and even the circuit board which has been put inside this earbud, and it is quite cool, let me say that, because we haven't seen anything like that before, and that's for sure. Aesthetic wise, this looks quite cool. You get 11.6 mm drivers inside the earbuds, so that's quite a decent size for the first pair of earbuds that have come from Nothing. And in terms of battery life, what Nothing is claiming is that the earbuds can run up to 5.7 hours with active noise cancellation, and a total of 34 hours with the charging case combined. So in total you're getting 34 hours of battery life, which is again quite impressive. And they support ultra fast charging, so also support for wireless charging. Now let me just connect this to the Nothing app, which is available on the Play Store, and so the process takes a few seconds. And once connected, you can see that there are a lot of options within the app as well. So it's good that Nothing has also brought in some decent sort of software experience, so you can personalize your hearing experience within the noise cancellation as well. You get different modes. There are also gesture controls on the earbuds, so you can double tap to activate different features. And in terms of codec support, what you're getting here is AAC and SBC codec. So that's probably one thing which Nothing could have done differently and added more support. And you also get a sweat and water resistance on these earbuds. So I genuinely like what Nothing has tried to do here and has eventually achieved as well, because see, it's not very easy to come up with a design like that, and we have seen over the last couple of years a lot of companies have been just copy pasting designs from each other and giving us similar sort of products. But here you get something completely different. It might inspire others to experiment with the design as well. Also, what I like is that Nothing has not just launched a product for the sake of it, but it is also giving you an equally good software experience. So I know a lot of brands who have been in the audio category for a while now, but they do not have the same sort of software experience which Nothing is giving you with its first product itself. So I think things look promising for Nothing, and of course I'll be spending a little more time with the earbuds without giving my final verdict on it. So stay tuned to Integrated Tech for our full review of Nothing Ear 1. But if you like this video and if you like all of our other content, please subscribe to Integrated Tech YouTube channel. Also tap on the bell icon so that you don't miss out on any updates from our side.